3 minutes have gone past. Oh, that's to even si Marvin Junicio. Bago lang sila dito sa Jensen. At Heruta in front of him. And that is a foul.
Nakikita natin kaya tumama sa ano eh. Si Monboy Aktu.
Aktu. He will take the three.
Bola at Cardona in the air. Was in the lineup.
He's attacking the defense of Junicio. And the jumper goes in. They had their battles there as well as Mac Cardona.
Mark Pingris was so excited
with Jensen. Ayaw pa rin pumasok, but he gets it back. Oh! And
Hakop!
And it was stolen by Canaleta. Nice pass by Hakop to Ping. Back to Hakop. The jumper. Takes the three, and that will be a foul on Joey Liu. And extracurricular.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays. Woo!
Mark Pingris, we're so excited to see him again on the floor.
Exactly, yes. Oh, ang ganda ng nilaro niya nung President's Cup.
He's a 98 champion of Letran.
Tama.
Para sa Jensen.
Ito ngayon ang Jensen. They have the first possession. Acuna immediately goes up for three and he makes it.
As a tough matchup for Cardinals.
Ito si Ivan Acuna loses Lastimosa, goes inside. The layup is short. And ball will stay with Jensen. Ni Pingris. 3 minutes have gone past at ang score natin ay 3-0 pa rin.
Hamito with an offense.
Look at that previous play. And Acuna dumps it down. Hamito goes up for the jumper. Ayaw pa rin pumasok, but he gets it back. Matatawagan siya ng pangalawang foul niya.
Yung physicality sa loob. Evidently, bakit papasok? Hindi lang problema pag nakakubit ka ng dalawang foul, masisira yung...
Huwag na natin sabihin kung how many ways back. As Pingris, his short hook does not go.
Another makeable shot. Diba?
May foul. Matatawagan pa siya ng foul on the rebound. Ayan, the left arm extended. Pamboy Raimundo falling out of play. Stolen by Tolentino. Kyle all the way to the basket.
Yep, good.
That's going to be a foul on Ballesteros from beyond the rainbow arc.
Never found
Marvin.
Played for UB. For a fellow like Mark Cruz.
As Roca Curva. Nice pass to Lastimosa. Finally, he gets his first shot. That first basket could be the start. They'll have to course correct there. And that's Kenny Rogers Roca Curva. Kapit niya yung athleticism niya just like there. Getting that block on Kyle Tolentino.
Good pass.
Nice pass.
Threading the eye of the needle.
JJ Pido checking into the game.
We've not seen Mark Cardona in a year. He was in the lineup last year, pero
isang liga yung ball out. Dati. They had their battles there as well as Mac Cardona with a hook.
The angle, medyo very risky.
Here's Gimpayan. The shot is in.
The second unit is also just
Loitan, sila Kyle Tolentino, Jammer Hamito, even si Marvin Junicio. Bago lang sila dito sa Jensen na team. Samantala
yung laro ninyo. But in terms of the chemistry and the effectiveness of that infusion, ano yan naghihintay ng...
Loitan, jumper from the free throw line is in. Finally, they get to double figures.
Yep, you got to look like that shot.
Loitan will trigger the inbound.
Wow,
Eye in the sky play between Loitan and Marvin. He's attacking the defense of Junicio and the jumper goes in.
Yun ang sinasabi natin. Standard the...
Nagmamadali. Gives it up to Sual for three. Yes, sir!
What a stroke, partner.
Junicio. They get it to the corner. Lee Yu for three. Yes, sir!
Ito ang orthodox thing si Joel. But yung fouls.
Here's Loitan on the attack. Yes, with the left.
Wow. One jumper and a layup.
Bringing that lead back down to 6. But Ryan Sual. And Tan is now up against Pamboy Raimundo. Apreco forced to take the jumper and it bounces in.
Yep. That's something that he should be one of the more popular players of Binyan, si Popoy Actub.
Oh, he does not have that shot. Actub on the attack, kicks it out. Lastimosa, papunta na dun sa wing nung pinasa ni Poy Poy.
Yan ang kaibahan.
To Poy Poy. Actub, he will take the three. No.
Iba talaga yung opensa ng Binyan.
Igot ng bola at there's a whistle underneath.
Yun ang binibigyan ng bacon ni ni Actub
Oo. To go sa ating second quarter, Lastimosa kicking it out. Three-pointer on the way. Yes!
Good set of play there for Lopez.
Lopez in the perimeter. Gets a screen from Pingris. Nice sidestep move!
Yes!
And it goes in.
Partner, nawala yung sa'yo.
Heruta loses the defenders and plays it in.
That's a very smart move by Heruta. Mabagal na yung adjustment ng depensa against him.
Oh! And bit of a skirmish at the post.
Pacquiao and Pingris, it's really getting physical.
As we take another look at that.
Pacquiao all over Pingris in that play.
Mosa stops. Ping. The spin. Ping. Goes up. Shot is short. Droka Kurva!
Wow!
In the nick of time.
That's clearly a difference in the ball game. Oh!
Nice shot by Kyle Tolentino. Opening this third quarter. Here's Kenny Rocakurva. Hinihingi ni Ping ang bola sa ilalim. Ping with a move. Yes.
Yep. Well, alam niya si Hamito may tatlong foul. The ball over.
Cruz. Nice pass to Hamito for the shot inside.
Yun talaga.
Lastimosa. Switch. Jumpers up and in.
Very confident si Carlo in the play. Na kahit na
Cruz over to Tolentino. He will spot up for three. Yes, sir.
He got 5 points here in the third. So, beginning.
Here's Kenny Rocakurva. Gets another screen. Goes inside. The shot is up and in.
Tansya lang.
Iron. Rebound going to Lastimosa. Lastimosa attacks. Loses Cruz and goes in for the layup.
Hindi naharang, no? Ito mo yung
Libre for three. Oh, bounces out. Apreco pitches it ahead. Cruz. Easy layup.
Hakob!
Hakob checking in.
Hakob ba Jacob?
Hindi ko alam. Hakob. Sabi ng ating venue announcer. Pag hindi ka nakarinig ng pito, play on. It will be the job of your coaching staff to be able to try and talk to the referees, get some clarity on how the ball
In the game, itong si Felix Apreco.
Ito si Jacob.
Parang ini-egon siya ng partner ng crowd at tumira
Oo. Shot, and he was forced to kick it out, and it was stolen by Canaleta. Nice pass by Jacob to Ping. Back to Jacob. The jumper is too strong.
I don't know if Ping is...
Got that previous play. Yan, pinasa pa ni Ping talaga eh.
Pero may challenge din kasi si Balak nasa pa niya kay Jacob.
Dito naman sa kabila, Heruta. Nakabingwit ng foul.
Nakita niya wala sa position si Jacob sa likod niya So,
Sasabi ni screen from Pingris. There's a roll over to Jacob. Takes the three, and that will be a foul on Joey Liu and extracurriculars.
Joel.
There was that fake, and there was that extra bump. Medyo hard foul na yun nangyari noong una.
Yun, inconvenience na ng
May unang bangga, may pangalawang bangga. Jacob could have just walked away. Pero meron pa siya niyan eh.
May konting pag nangyari.
Pa rin ang barrier na kailangan basagin ng Warriors. And Heruta is there.
What a game para kay Heruta off the
Pido, Sual, Gimpayan, and Mac Cardona. Nice extra pass underneath. Ballesteros bottled up but was able to find Jmar Gimpayan.
Dahil the nick of time talaga.
As Rodriguez goes for three. Yes, sir!
You're right.
Gimpayan doesn't mind the lead is 2 para sa Binyan. Here's Eloy Tan. Gets it to Rodriguez. Basket and the harm.
You know, coming alive.
On to his right foot, pero mukhang hindi niya gaanong iniinda.
Oh,
That's a wonderful move from Joel Liu. He's looking for options. Kicks it out. Lastimosa fakes the three, goes inside. Yes!
Oh, very calculated. Diba? Huli.
Oh, Sual with a steal. He's got Heruta in front of him. And that is a foul.
Ano yung physical yun, ha?
Oo.
Good read by Sule. Tumawag na si Haruta doon. Tapos kita natin kaya tumama sa ano eh. Pinapa-review nila eh. Yung bagsak, kaya yung tumama sa mukha ni Haruta. Pero yung unang kabig sa bewang ni Haruta dito kay...
Trying to get Val Acuna free. Papreco attacks and the layup is in.
Apreco. Only his...
Over to Tan. Thought about the three. Goes inside instead. Spins. Loses to wall. And makes the jumper.
Grabe yung composure ni Tan. Order yourself. In spite of you being a pass-first point guard.
KG, the three is in.
Still there.
Over to Pingris. Cutting is Lastimosa. Pingris up against Hamito. Kicks it out. Raimundo for three. Yes, sir!
What a shot. By Pamboy.
Spins. Gets it to Apreco.
Oh.
Apreco, 5 seconds on the shot clock. Shoots it. No. Rebound. Goes to Lastimosa.
Nothing.
And Pingris will get it. And he is fouled by Hamito.
Kaya yan yung free throws na.
Free throw. First one goes in.
There you go.
And that is short. But he gets the rebound.
The 3-point shot of Pamboy Raimundo. Masakit na masakit yun.
It was back-to-back. Sinabi natin yun, parang tumindi yung depensa kasi nila. And Val Acuna was never able to get his game going after that, hitting that first three of the game. And so, the Binyan Beast Motorcycle Game X.
You don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball!